are going to practice how to make a simple sandwich. A sandwich is easy to make, delicious and healthy. Please listen carefully.
Ingredients are tomato, cabbage, tomato sauce, cheese, bread, fried egg, and mayonnaise.
First, take 2 slices of bread and put them on a plate.
After that, add cabbage and
Tomato slices. Then, spread mayonnaise and tomato sauce on the bread. Next, put fried egg on top.
finally add 1 slice of cheese.
And your sandwich is done.
So, that is how to make a simple sandwich. This is very easy and practical to make at home. And thank you for listening and have a nice day. Hey, bye-bye.
Kampung Inggris Babel.